baby, when I look into your eyes, I can see the stars shining so bright, so like the starry.
Let me hear you shout! Come on!
Since so many years, I think we have been knowing Rohit since 8-9 years now, and he is like family.
हमारे घर में कोई भी ओकेजन रहो, इवेंट रहो, they are our first choice, यानी हम लोग कुछ ऑप्शंस देखते ही नहीं। और डांस जिसको जैसा है, सीनियर सिटीजन है, जो भी एज का है, उसको कंफर्टेबल करके वो हिसाब से वो कर देगा।
Over the period of those 4 weeks, he's been dedicated, he's been patient, he's been teaching us to dance. I thought I had 2 left feet, but then he's proved it otherwise.
I have worked with Rohit since past 5-6 years, but I think this has been the best Sangeet that Rohit has organized, and I really like the love story sequence that he created for me and taught me the poo element, what I wanted to do for him. So thank you, Rohit.